When enjoying the great outdoors, protection from the sun and rain is essential for a comfortable experience. Meet the Eno Sunfly Shade, a versatile shade solution designed for easy setup and maximum coverage. This innovative canopy offers a quick and convenient way to shield yourself and your friends from the elements, whether you're at the park or camping. Its no knots needed setup utilizes waterproof fabric and UPF 30 sun protection, ensuring you stay cool and dry. Crafted from lightweight 70D ripstop fabric made from 100% recycled polyester, it features an aerodynamic design for optimal anchoring and wind resistance. The included aluminum telescoping poles are easy to extend and secure, while the integrated pole pockets offer various setup options. With gear loops for accessories and optional ridgeline hooks, you can create shade, shelter, or privacy effortlessly. Weighing just over 3 pounds, this portable shade packs down into a custom stuff sack, making it ready for any adventure. When heading outdoors for a picnic, hike, or fishing trip, having a reliable cooler is essential to keep your drinks and snacks cold and fresh. Introducing the Arctic Zone Realtree Backpack Cooler, a versatile backpack cooler designed for convenience and durability, perfect for any adventure. This cooler features a Realtree Edge camo-printed exterior, allowing it to blend in with natural surroundings or stand out in style. With superfoam insulation and a Thermoflect radiant barrier, your beverages will stay frosty all day and night. The leak-proof, easy-to-clean interior lining incorporates Microban antimicrobial protection to inhibit the growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria, ensuring a hygienic experience throughout the cooler's lifetime. An insulated zippered front pocket also features Microban protection for added convenience. The adjustable padded backpack straps allow for a comfortable fit, while exterior mesh pockets provide extra storage for your essentials. This cooler is an excellent choice for those who love to enjoy the outdoors while keeping their refreshments perfectly chilled. When camping, having a reliable and comfortable shelter is essential for enjoying the great outdoors. Meet the Skynest Ultralight Hammock Tent, which is designed to enhance your camping experience and ensure comfort and safety in any environment. This innovative tent features a 60-second quick setup, allowing you to spend more time exploring and less time wrestling with your gear. Its modular design makes it portable and easy to carry, while removable components provide flexibility for various camping situations. The rainproof and mosquito-proof materials ensure protection from the elements, keeping you safe from harsh weather and pesky insects. With a large interior space, the tent offers multiple modes, including hammock, porch, and ground modes, adapting to your needs. The UPF 50+ canopy protects you from harmful sun rays, making it suitable for all weather adventures. Experience ultimate comfort and convenience with this all-in-one solution for your outdoor escapades. For anglers seeking an enjoyable and efficient fishing experience, having a well-organized vest is essential. Introducing the Strike Fishing Vest from SJK, a versatile collection of fishing vests designed for comfort and functionality, perfect for any fishing enthusiast. These vests are constructed with multiple pockets and compartments, allowing you to keep all your fishing essentials easily accessible. Featuring a 12-pocket layout, they maximize functionality, ensuring you have everything you need within reach. The lightweight materials provide breathability, keeping you cool during those hot summer days on the water. Additional features include a neoprene collar for added comfort, a mesh body to enhance airflow, and a front hook and loop rod holder for easy access to your fishing rod. The quick-release buckle closure ensures a secure fit, while the center-back net keeper allows for convenient storage. With a custom logo treatment, these fishing vests combine practicality and style, making them a must-have for every angler. Reliable communication is essential when navigating challenging terrains or during emergencies. Introducing the Midland Piro GMRS two-way radio, which provides 5 watts of power, maximizing communication range and ensuring crystal clear transmission. Repeater capable with 8 GMRS channels, it extends your communication distance, making it perfect for remote areas. Built to endure harsh environments, this radio is IP67 waterproof and dustproof, offering protection against rain, dust, and rugged conditions. It boasts a long-lasting 16-hour battery life with up to 4 days in standby mode and recharges quickly with the included desktop charger, AC wall adapter, USB-C cable, and DC vehicle charger. This versatile device also features NOAA weather alerts, keeping you informed of critical weather updates directly from the National Weather Service. Easy to use, durable, and powerful, this two-way radio ensures you're always connected, no matter the condition. Access to clean drinking water is crucial for survival in outdoor adventures or emergencies. Introducing the LifeStraw Peak Series. Personal Water Filter Straw, a lightweight and versatile filtration tool trusted by adventurers, travelers, and emergency workers. Weighing only 2 ounces, it's easy to pack and provides up to 5 years of safe water at your fingertips. This enhanced version features a more durable build, improved flow rate, and new leak-proof caps for better storage. The microfilter membrane removes bacteria, parasites, and other contaminants, ensuring you can drink from almost any freshwater source. Its universal threading allows it to attach to standard water bottles and flasks, and it connects seamlessly to hydration packs and gravity systems. Additionally, LifeStraw is committed to sustainability and humanitarian efforts, providing safe water to school children for every product sold. Compact, efficient, and reliable, this water filter is a must-have for any outdoor or survival situation.